Hello, my name is Michael Galli. I'm the Director of International Recruitment and Admissions at the British Columbia Institute of Technology in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. We attended the Canam 30th Canadian Universities and Colleges Admissions, Fairs, and Workshops from September 7th to 18th. And we went to 9 events, and they were at 2:30 in the morning here in Vancouver. So our 4 staff who participated may have been a little bit sleepy, but they were kept wide awake by the great questions by the students. It was a pleasure to discuss your educational goals, and we're always here to support you if you ever need us. However, if you're in India and you are seeking support, our great partners at Canam are, I think, our oldest partner in India, and they are definitely able to provide you with all the services and support. They're very knowledgeable and very trustworthy. So I hope you will count on them to help you to apply to BCIT. Now, applications for our regular full-time programs open on October 3rd. And for our flexible full-time programs, we are always accepting applications for January, May, or September term. And you can start it in any of those terms in the flexible programs. We look forward to welcoming you here in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia.